Frickin' helicopters are loud as hell. What are they doing? There it is. I should bring out my camera to get this, but now these guys are loud as hell. And slow too. I know, it's doing $1.50, but oh well, I got another helicopter. Not over the house, but yeah, that's an Army one. Or Air Force one. Oh, wait a minute, that could be Navy. Oh, wait a minute. Looks like a Marine from here. No, it's just another typical helicopter over the house. Yeah, I need to get out my good camera to take a close-up of this. Well, I heard that one 10 miles away, for Christ's sakes. Yeah, okay. I got metal.